This month, the news is the same and it's all good. Property stock levels are rising, property prices are increasing, the SA economy is booming and interest rates are unchanged. Stock levels are the highest across the sector that we've seen in over 2 years, as reflected in the Advertiser last week with over 2,100 opens. And whilst we've seen steady improvements month on month, recent results have been explosive, but in a good way. With recent drought-smashing rain and great economic results in country areas, we've seen the country region leading the way with sales increasing by 76% over the previous month and listings up by over 56%. The type of things that have driven the boom in the country market and will continue to do so for some time include factors such as the resources sector, where the mining boom is back on track. Roxby Downs in particular has taken off again with great results. Craig Summerson from our Roxby office has reported a week ago that effectively he's seeing a sale a day up there, and that's with very limited stock. And the mine is now back on track and expanding operations, as is demand for property in the area. Similarly, the new $1 billion rare earth refinery plant at Whyalla and the upswing in Port Lincoln's tuna market that were both announced just over the last month are just a few examples of many positive announcements that are currently enriching the property value for the whole of the Iron Triangle region. In the agricultural sector, the rains and world economy have seen returns on crops, cattle and land on record highs for the farming communities of South Australia. We're also seeing country lifestyle options become increasingly popular. Homes on a small acreage or semi-rural retreats in hamlets such as the new Aberdeen Park development at Strathalbyn or waterside living at the new Menangi Lakes or Manning Waters communities offer great lifestyle opportunities with city convenience at very affordable prices. Metropolitan property is performing very well also, and particularly against last year's results. Already in August, the amount of property that came onto the market was approximately 10% above the same time as that point last year. And it's increased again in September and October. And buyers haven't slowed down. In fact, they've entered the market proportionally. Now, I'll provide an update on a year-to-year comparison of SA property results for the September quarter when those results are released in a few weeks. In the interim, the latest annual figures in SA median price performance are: country house prices increased by 11%, metropolitan house prices increased by 14%, and metropolitan unit prices increased by 8.5%. The overall South Australian median house price increased by 15% and stands at $380,000. Buyers for appropriately priced and marketed property are abundant, so it's an excellent time to sell. Employment levels and consequent job security levels in South Australia are at a high, so it's a good time to buy that first house, the dream house, or an investment property, particularly before interest rates escalate as predicted for later this year and possibly also early next year. Well, that's the indicative SA market summary for now. I hope it's been of some interest. If you'd like more property market information, just call your local Rain and Horn office and we'll look after you. Thanks for tuning in, and until we catch up again, I hope you enjoy good things.